Now I'm riding Continental GT 650. So I don't know, like this is the first time I'm riding this bike, but I'm feeling same like in the last video I had shown you that Continental GT. So no extra things, I can say same power I'm feeling, no extra something. Okay, while I'll be in the ride I'll talk with you. And this looks very similar to Continental, Continental Interceptor. So this is a Continental GT 650. So नो इश्यूज। यहाँ नहीं, आगे से लेंगे नहीं बस। अरे एक मिनट रुक जाओ। अरे भाई ಎಷ್ಟು
550 sir
5 पेन
50
अरे भाई चल
थैंक यू सर।
कोई नहीं। तो वेयर टू रख दे इसको, हम क्या रखे भाई, यहीं पे रख दे भाई। कोई जगह है तुझे? कोई नहीं, यहीं पे रख देते तो चले। तो चल भाई। अरे अरे लगा मत, रुक रुक रुक। हाँ भाई 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 oh my god, like we both are riding, me and my friend. Holy shit man, we are enjoying this ride. We both are riding 650. So my friend is riding Continental and I am riding, he is riding Interceptor and I am riding Continental GT. Both are the beast bro, chill. Okay, like I feel that both bikes are same power, same torque, same everything, horsepower is like, but I can say this bike is little more aggressive, that it has a okay भाई वो तो चला गया, लेकिन हम भी थोड़ा कम नहीं है, हम भी मारेंगे अभी। ओह माय गॉड भाई साहब, गजब का पावर है भाई, गजब का पावर है, एक नंबर बोल रहा हूँ ना। अगर एक ही झटके में मुझे दिल आ गया इस बाइक पे ऊपर, तो आई थिंक माई फ्रेंड्स देयर, सो आई नीड टू वेट फॉर हिम। आई डोंट नो वेदर ही इज कमिंग और आई शुड गो देयर। या ही इज कमिंग, सो नो नीड टू वरी, माई फ्रेंड इज कमिंग ओवर हियर। तो चल भाई आजा जल्दी, यहीं से चलेंगे ना। अरे कोई नहीं, चल यार। So they said that we can go only for 2 more kilometers. हाँ हाँ चल। तो अरे 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 क्या कर रहे हो? So I think this is a वापस जाएंगे ना। 7000 RPM, so I cannot drive it more because this is a test drive bike. We cannot drive it more than 8000 RPM. So I'm pretty sure that it goes fluently up to 160. So upon that also it goes up to 190 something, but it goes on its limit because up to अरे भाई साहब, ब्रो अरे व्हाट हैपनिंग ब्रो, ये क्या इंडिकेटर भी नहीं देख रहे हैं ना, उनको क्या करे भाई, तूने इंडिकेटर भी लगाया नहीं। सो यू कैन सी माई इंडिकेटर वॉज ऑन, नाउ आई एम ऑफिंग इट। होली शिट मैन, सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट, लाइक दिस बाइक इज सेम पावरफुल एज दैट बाइक, सो instrument cluster is not that digital, okay, no issues. So you can manage with the bike, not at all, no problem. So it has a fuel indicator, not like any other classic or standard, but I feel that was much more comfortable than the Continental GT650 because it has a good sitting posture. So this is little bit aggressive, but the power one and the same. So you can see both. So एक ही सोल है लेकिन सिर्फ कपड़े बदल दिए गए हैं, तो not much more difference between both the bikes. So little bit looks has been changed, as well as the throttle is same, everything is same. I can leave my hands and I can ride it perfectly, no issues. I'll reach till there. Very thumbs up. So a good thumbs up to the Royal Enfield, which she is giving a wonderful bikes. So this is a 650cc. I'm very excited to ride this. Both the numbers are very good. That is 00 dash dash, this is 000 dash. So no issues. Throttle तो गजब है भाई, throttle एक नंबर है, throttle एक नंबर है. He is enjoying the throttle rev. To them this is a ABS portion, which front tire is a compulsory ABS and the rear tire you can off it. I don't know, I asked with them, they said that you can turn it off as well as you can turn it on whenever you want, but only for the rear tire. So yeah, it's the best option because for off-roading you need a ABS which is turned off in the rear. Hey, कहाँ जा रहा है? Oh my god! Holy shit, man! भाई आपने अभी थ्रोटल देखा, आपको हिला देने वाला था भाई, अभी बता रहा. I don't know where he went, so I need to check out. Okay, he is going there. भाई साहब, holy shit bro, this machine, no, seriously bro, you will fall in love with this bike bro. अब जा रहे हैं वापस, चल. और थोड़ा दिक्कत कर रही है सेकंड से फर्स्ट आने में, तो न्यूट्रल में पड़ रही है, लेकिन कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मैनेज तो हो रहा है. बहुत गजब का बाइक है, लेकिन भाई तो फुल मूड में है. Like he is on full fire. I think he is crossing 80 only here. He is very much attracted. Also, I think he came to buy the Himalayan, but I think now he is in love with the Interceptor. So you cannot say that whichever he buys, I think he is going for Interceptor because it has got power, look, throttle, everything it has got. So no compro with this beast. अरे भाई क्या कर रहा है तू? I think he will not let us, man, today. You can always go for this bike. It's a beast. But as usual, according like that bike is also giving the heat. So you can feel the heat in this bike also. Directly it is hitting towards your leg. That's fine, completely not an issue. That when you get a power, when you get a bike like this, when you get a beauty like this, so as you said in the set for the Continental, it's not a matter that you are facing little bit this one. But when you go for Manali in that place, cold places, I think this heat will give you very happy. So you will feel much more happiness because it is keeping you warm as much as possible. So there is no complaints regarding this. So you can see everything is pakka fine. So nothing I can say more about this. I cannot complain anything about this bike. This is a beast. So there are no complaints anything about this. So now indicator is off. Nothing extra with this. You can see. So I don't know where we came. Where is the Royal Enfield? This one. कॉन्टिनेंटल एंड इंटरसेप्ट. भाई 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 भाई, अरे भाई क्या कर रहा है तू? Oh my god. This bike, I'll tell you, one of the good machine I have seen till today for the budget, under budget, like 3 lakh. So nowadays you can get for no bikes you can get at this range, at this beauty, at this strength, at this quality. No bikes you can get it for 3 lakhs. I think so. This is one of the best bike you can get ever for 3 lakhs. I think I should give a big salute to the Royal Enfield, that which is giving twin cylinder bikes at the rate of 3 lakhs, man. This is like beast. So very good hats off. So you can see everything is fine. So the build quality, everything is neat and clean. So there are no complaints about this bike. Everything is fine. So no issues. वहाँ लगाए भाई, कोई नहीं छोड़, मेरा भी बाइक निकाल दूंगा मैं. Boy, this is an absolute beast, bro. Oh, but the silencer is too much hot.